This non-invasive skin tightening treatment can help improve the various signs of aging, such as sagging jowls, exaggerated smile lines, and sagging skin around the eye area. By tightening the skin, it will help to minimize wrinkles and help you to achieve a more youthful appearance. This device uses ultrasound technology to help stimulate the collagen in our skin. It can give you an instant facelift, it can minimize your wrinkles and bring back volume to the cheeks and the eye area. This treatment is extremely comfortable, there's no downtime, and that's why it's a favorite for so many people. You can go back to your regular schedule and put on makeup afterwards with no worries.